offices within 38 miles of each other.
Yes, she's sticking her tongue out.
We're very proud of that.
Sitting on my espresso maker.
Away from one another, 38 miles. They had six
hey,
times the
Dino.
number of paid staffers that John Kerry had here back in 2004. And the Obama campaign will tell you they.
Are you sticking your tongue out?
The McCain camp and people walking. We were out there today, Diane.
You this? Where are you sticking your tongue out? Dino. You're on Mama's espresso maker. Are you supposed to be on there? Huh? Hey. Hey. What's that? Hey. Look at your mama. Are you falling asleep? Hey. Hey. Are you falling asleep? Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that adorable face. So cute. So cute. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Please, I'm tired. Where are you going? He goes, I'm gonna go find something. That's it.